Video number 5. If you need a little more practice on what we just did, you can try check it out number 4, dealing with a triangle that has sides of 22 inches and 17 inches, and you're figuring out what the range of possible lengths for the third side would be, just like we did previously. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the triangle that I've drawn off to the left with the sides, sorry the lighting, I know I'm messing you up. The sides 22 and 17 and solving for that missing side, which we'll call S. And I'm going to do a little bit of quick erasing in my book because I just remembered that I used X in a couple of these for the variable and S in one of them for the variable. And they all need to be the same variable. And I am just going to make them all S. So bear with me for just a second while I do that. Okay, got that fixed. So now what I want to show you is each of these approaches to working through this, and I'm not going to work through it, but I just want you to have it and be able to pause the video. Remember, the negative one we would ultimately cross out and we would use the other two, and so your final answer should look like this on the right, that 5 is less than S and S is less than 39, or we can say S is greater than 5 and less than 39. So try it on your own and you can see my work and you can see my answer, and the answers are in the back of the book for this. But now I want to go ahead and look at example 5 with you, which is a travel application. It is exactly what we were just doing. It is exactly using a triangle with lengths. It just happens to be on a map and the length happens to be in miles. So, okay. Sorry, I know y'all can hear the background noise. My daughter and a bunch of her friends are downstairs in the living room watching the Clemson game, which I am missing, so we gotta hurry and finish this. But apparently something very exciting just happened. But anyway, okay. So the problem says the map shows the approximate distances from San Antonio, I'll let you see that, to Mason, and from San Antonio to Austin. So here's San Antonio to Mason, San Antonio to Austin, and they want to know what the range of distances could be from Mason to Austin. So we have one side length of 111 miles, we have one side length of 78 miles, and we are going to solve this problem exactly the same way, which the book has already done for you. Instead of calling it a side, they called it distance, and they said the distance here plus 111 has to be greater than 78. That's what they said. Distance plus 111 has to be greater than 78. And then they said the distance plus 78 must be greater than 111. You see that right there. And then lastly, they said the distance here, 111, plus this given distance, which is 78, must add up to be greater than D for the distance that we don't know. And then you'll see that they solved each one. Starting with the beginning, it was the negative one, so we will just neatly cross through that. The second one said D must be greater than 33. They did that by subtracting 78 from both sides. Here, D must be less than 189, where they added those two sides. So they put it in the final answer as D is greater than 33, but it's less than 189. All right, I hope y'all are good with this concept. That is the end of our videos, and you should be good to go on your homework. Make sure if you're struggling that you do use your videos in the homework. Always, always, always when you need it. I hope y'all have, well, I guess you'll be seeing this on Monday. I'm doing it on Saturday night. But I hope y'all have a good day on Monday, and I will see you on Tuesday morning. Bye-bye.